Flexpipe can be purchased as fully assembled structures. Our team of experts will work with you on the design and right up to the delivery of a turnkey project. This is ideal for situations such as Blitz projects such as Kaizen events or short-time projects, unavailable labor, high-volume structures. The first step is to get in touch with Flexpipe, and a project manager will be assigned to your project. At this point, you should gather all the necessary information about your project, including a visual aid such as a small sketch, a drawing, or a photo. The project sheet on the website will help you. If required, the project manager will visit you. At step number 2, a project manager will send you a 3D CAD concept drawing called the approval drawing. This will show important measurements, color, and parts used for the project. This can also be used by you to present the project to other people in your organization. This drawing must be approved before we can move on to the next step. Step number 3. At this stage, the project manager will send you a quotation. The quotation should contain lead time, different quantities scenarios, and the bill of material. At this point, the procedure to open an account should be started, and first orders could be paid by credit card. Step number 4 is when the fabrication of your structures begin. A Flexpipe assembler will be assigned to the project, and before shipping, the project manager will review the finished project with the approval drawing. Structures are shipped by truck with your preferred company, or shipping can be prepaid and charged to your bill.